What's up, guys? This is the Woo R6 here, and I have the 360 Slim, and this is the power supply. And when you turn it on, everything seems normal. Then there's a fan in here and that's the noise it makes. So yeah, I'll be taking it apart and trying to fix it. It's pretty annoying, so yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next part of this video on taking it apart and trying to fix it. What's up, guys? Here's the second part of the video. The power supply is taken apart. You have these little rubber feet that have like a plastic cap on the bottom. Pop those out. I used a small flathead screwdriver. And then I went and bought this. That's the Security Torx, which I believe you need the Security Torx 10, which is this one right here. And you get these 4 screws out, and then you'll pop it apart. And be careful, because the fan cable, this fan is connected right here. The fan cable is pretty short, and it runs through here, and it connects to that header right there. So I undid these 4 screws here. There's one hiding under tape. Also, there's going to be one hiding under tape for getting the fan out, which there'll be 2 big screws and 2 big screws and 3 little screws. There's a lot of dust that was in there. I got a couple bigger globs than this out from, they were right here. There's a big glob that I got, and then I took this plate off, and then there's a lot of globs in there. That's all from when I took the plate off and cleaned it, just all the Q-tips and stuff. So my thing's about to die, but that's it. I'll put it back together and see if that fixes the noise issue. So really quickly, when you're putting this together, this snaps in, but before you do that, you'll do the 2 big screws that actually holds the fan in, and then you'll do the 3 little screws that holds this plastic piece in, and then you'll do the 4. So yeah, you'll do these 2 to hold the fan, and then this will snap into place, and that's it. What's up, guys? Here's the end of the video, and I have my Xbox running, and you can feel the air being pushed out by these exhaust sides, and this is the inlet. It's pulling a pretty good amount of air. What I had to do was I took the fan apart, and you'll be able to lift the propeller or the impeller, whatever you want to call it, the blades. You lift it off, and there'll be a cylinder on there. And I did a 3-in-1 lube. I just got a Q-tip, lubed it, put some on there. Then I did a drop into the bearing where it holds, and then you get a Q-tip and dry some of it up. Put it in there, spin, and I pull it out, put it back in there and spin, and then I put it all together. And to do a test run, you don't want to put those in there, or else it just makes it a pain. And yeah, it's working fine now, so I'm able to play. So if you have any questions, just post them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to help you out. It's pretty simple. Yeah, later.